Hey logo designers, this is Michael from the Logo Package, and today I wanted to show you a workaround that allows you to control the type size of individual lines in your logotype. As you can see here, I have generated 3 logo types for a company called BankSafe, and they have a tagline that is a safe in your pocket. And by default, if we generate logo types with the justified setting selected in the logotype tab, and our 2 lines of the logo set in these type lines, we will get 2 type lines that have exactly the same width. So the font will scale to match the width of the shortest word. Now you'll see that there is not really a setting here for changing the type size of these individual lines of text. And in fact, there is no setting for type size at all. And that's because we just have a specified area within the artboard that we fill the logo artwork to fit. So there's no one type size that is going to be appropriate for that every single time. So here is the workaround. Let's say that we wanted a safe in your pocket to be centered and smaller than the BankSafe company name. All we need to do is go to the tagline type line here and add a few spaces to the beginning. So I'm going to add maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces to the beginning and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces to the end. And now when I make logos, we're going to see that those spaces have pushed in the words so that they appear smaller beneath the primary company name. And this little hack works for aligning things to the left and center as well. So if I were to cut all of these spaces from the right side of the word and add them to the left side of the word, when we make logos, we will see a right alignment with the smaller tagline font. And just as you would expect, if I cut those spaces from the left side and paste them on the right side, then now we will have a left aligned tagline in the smaller font. And that is a very quick little workaround to control the font size of the different type lines in your logotype generations. Thanks for watching.